So there's a couple of modifications that we're gonna do here, and for those who thought that I was bringing my clothes and things in this bag from Sweden, no, well, that wasn't really correct, because what I actually was bringing was something else. So here is a new seat. That's going to go on there, and well, obviously we need some mirrors. Well, you know, they're going to come up on here before we take off. Now there are different mirrors. So some of them are Jurassic Park mirrors, which are these ones. They are modified, so you have a better view towards the rear when you're driving. These are the original mirrors, which looks bigger, but you see less. And then we have some camera mounts, and there's another one there. And this is the bag that goes across like this. Now this is not all of it, because this is not enough in terms of luggage. So we also have been downtown today, and we're going to put on the rear panniers, and they're going to be sitting like this. So you see here you have the bolts are there, and obviously I don't have the tools yet, but here on this side I'm going to have these ones coming on, and there's going to be one on each side, and it's just to be able to have a bit of a more space. So I'm going to look for the tools, and on most motorcycles, if you don't have Toolbox with you, then there is a place to look, and it is related. You take the key, you put it in there, and then you can open this, and you see, that's the toolbox. So once you know that, then you can see if you have anything, any spanner that will fit. So that's a 10, and that's a 13, and yes, it is a 13 there, and it's a 13 up there too. So we will be able to put on the side racks today, and to switch the saddle, there's a little thing here that you can pull, and you hear a click. You hear the click, then you can lift off the saddle on a Royal Enfield, and it looks like this. And then you can put on the comfortable saddle, and you need to push it forward. You can see here actually how it works. You see? That's the hole. So it needs to be aligned with this one, and you just need to push a bit, and there you go. Now the new saddle is in place. These bolts that you see over here, they are just sitting there now. On this side, they are holding on to the sari cover. So when you're in India, you buy a Royal Enfield in India, they come with a sari cover. and this we're gonna remove. On the European market, this is not on the motorcycle. When you buy it, it's only in India. So we managed to get the sari cover off. It used to be sitting over there, but these bolts are too tight to remove without a better spanner than I have. So we're gonna leave everything and get the spanner tomorrow. And that's all for today.